Welcome back to Healthy Journey. I am your host, Bongla Strela. I am a terminal cancer survivor who came from the deathbed to complete healing. Please read my memoir, My Miraculous Healing Journey. Available on Amazon, and realize that God created a body that can heal itself. We just need to take care of it. I am a certified natural health professional whose mission is to help people have a healthy and happy life journey. Did you know that a simple drink can help manage blood sugar? It's true. Okra water is becoming a popular choice for health enthusiasts. Okra water, made from the okra plant, is gaining popularity. The process is simple. Just soak okra pods in water overnight. People are discovering its amazing health benefits. Not only does it help with blood sugar levels, but it also supports overall health. Join me as we explore this natural wonder. Okra plants are easy to grow and can be a great addition to your garden. Okra water is easy to make and delicious. Simply infuse okra in water overnight. Pour the water into a glass and enjoy its refreshing taste. It's a natural way to improve your well-being. Many people find it a perfect companion for their wellness routines, like yoga or meditation. Let's dive in and learn more. Discover how the simple drink can make a big difference in your health and lifestyle. Okra water comes from the okra fruit infused in water. It's packed with nutrients. These nutrients have amazing health benefits. People are using okra water to improve their health and well-being. It's simple to make. Just soak okra pods in water overnight. The water absorbs the nutrients. Drink it in the morning for a healthy boost. Many people struggle with health problems. Diabetes and heart disease are big concerns. These conditions can be challenging to manage. People are searching for natural ways to improve their health. These conditions affect millions worldwide. It's important to find natural ways to stay healthy. Natural remedies play an important role in a healthy lifestyle. Okra water is becoming increasingly popular as a natural health remedy. Okra water can help with common health issues. It's a simple yet effective way to boost your overall well-being. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it a beneficial drink for those who need to manage their glucose levels. This is great news for people with diabetes. Regular consumption of okra water can make a significant difference in their health and wellness journey. Okra water also helps lower cholesterol, which is good for heart health. Lower cholesterol levels mean a reduced risk of heart disease. Okra water is a natural way to support your health. It's an easy addition to your daily routine that can yield significant benefits. Okra water is full of fiber, which aids digestion. A diet rich in fiber can help prevent constipation and promote a healthy digestive system. It also has antioxidants that protect your body. Antioxidants help fight off free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and promoting overall health. Real people and real results. Many people have experienced the benefits of okra water. They report improved blood sugar control. Some say their cholesterol levels have gone down. These real-life stories are inspiring. These testimonials highlight the power of okra water. It's a natural and effective way to improve health. It's important to note that individual results may vary. Embrace a healthier lifestyle with natural remedies. Okra water is packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that can boost your overall health. Studies have shown that regular consumption of okra water can lead to significant improvements in blood sugar and cholesterol control. Start incorporating okra water into your daily routine and start to feel more energetic and healthier. Adding okra water to your daily routine is a simple step towards a healthier you. It's easy to prepare and can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Many people find that drinking okra water in the morning helps them feel refreshed and ready to take on the day. Remember to consult your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet or health regimen. It's always best to get professional advice to ensure that any new health practices are right for you. Share. The okra water experience. Have you tried okra water? Perhaps it's time to do it. Share your experience with friends and family. Spread the word about this amazing natural remedy. Together, we can embrace a healthier lifestyle. Let's share the goodness of okra water and inspire others to live healthier lives. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, stay healthy and happy in your life journey.